English vegetables vocabulary. Onion, onion. Eggplant, eggplant. Pepper, pepper. Potato, potato. Parsley, parsley. Dill, dill. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Chicory, chicory. Lettuce, lettuce. Avocado, avocado. Garden pea, garden pea. Sorrel, sorrel. Beetroot, beetroot. Celery, celery. Chili, chili. Radish, radish. Asparagus, asparagus. Cabbage, cabbage. Spring onion, spring onion. Horseradish, horseradish. Cherry tomato, cherry tomato. Sweet corn, sweet corn. Tomato, tomato. Bean sprout, bean sprout. French beans, French beans. Garlic, garlic. Carrot, carrot. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Marrow, marrow. Ginger, ginger. Mushroom, mushroom. Spinach, spinach. Broccoli, broccoli. Cucumber, cucumber. Spinach, spinach. Broccoli, broccoli. Cucumber, cucumber.